Hello everyone, this is episode number 5 for our channel Autism and Beyond, the journey of JNB. In this episode we are trying to share our experiences doing the Guinness Book of World Records which Joanne and Bryden achieved. During this event, Joanne and Bryden had to skate continuously in various time slots. Sometimes it used to be morning, evening and sometimes night. The night times were sometimes it was even at midnight 12:30. So we had to get Joanne and Bryden well prepared so that on the right time they could be on the track. So friends, I'd like to share with you our Guinness World Record certificate, a dream that in fact what we had never dreamt of, and it was in fact really an overwhelming experience. The first time when we held the certificate, we really had goosebumps. And let me show you how the certificate really looks like and how it is basically presented to us. So that's how the certificate came. Both this was in the name of Joanne as well as Bryden, 2 certificates. And let us see. That's the back page of the certificate, officially amazing. And here we go. Guinness World Record official participant. That's the front page, and there goes the rear page. Very well printed in the best of papers, I feel. This is what the certificate reads. Dear participant, I am delighted to present you with this certificate of participation to recognize your important contribution to this Guinness World Records title. At Guinness World Records, we have been measuring, verifying and recording the various achievements since 1954. Today, our mission is to maintain an archive of records that inspires, engages and entertains people across the globe and celebrates the world's best. The record that you participated in is now in one of the 40,000 world records that are held on the Guinness World Record database. Of the thousands of applications we receive every month, less than 5% actually make it to become an official entry in our archive. As a member of this select group, you should be extremely proud of your achievement. On behalf of Guinness World Records, I would like to personally congratulate you on your Guinness World Records achievement. Signed by Alistair Richards, President, Guinness World Records.
Very good, very. Come on, come on, go, go. Very good. Go, 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 go. Very good. Move on. Go, go.
Well, to be into the Guinness Book of World Records is always a sought out dream, and we take this opportunity basically to thank our coach Vinod Pal sir for giving us the confidence and believing in the kids and giving them an opportunity that they could accomplish this feat. Overall, in this particular event, there were more than around 600 participants, the kids who participated, and just 308 kids qualified. And we are really happy to let you all know that Joanne and Bryden were the only two kids on the spectrum who were a part of qualifying, and they had their names in the Guinness Book of World Records. Sometimes there used to be a break of hardly say 3 to 4 hours in between the skating. So this time we had to meticulously plan in such a way that they were well prepared, and the only good thing over here was due to the kids' passion for skating. As and when we used to take them to the skating ring, they were always ready. But then what happens is sometimes there are long waiting periods which are beyond our control. So during these times, sometimes Joanne and Bryden would get aggressive. So those were the things that we needed to control. Also to mention here, there were a lot of kids' parents who were there, who were witnessing all these, because kids on the spectrum don't get that much of exposure, neither do people see them as to what are their conditions, etc. And so basically they were seeing us how we are basically managing and controlling the situations, etc. And by the end of the ceremony, when the feat was accomplished, what really happened was the same parents, they were so joyful, and they came to us asking us to take selfies with our kids. It was like a very well sought out moment, a moment that we had never dreamt of, that people taking our permission, to take selfies with our kids. Nowadays, we are known as more of as parents of Joanne and Bryden, and not vice versa. This is something that we have never dreamt of. Once Joanne and Bryden are in their skating gear, they immediately want to enter the ring and start skating, which was not permissible. So we did have our challenges for their waiting time as well. Hence, there was a lot of preparation time involved, like getting them in their gear at the 11th hour, etc. To our surprise, it also started raining during the event, but then this did not deter both Joanne and Bryden from giving in their best on the ring. So thank you everyone for watching our special episode, which is our achievement in the Guinness Book of World Records. And do watch our earlier episodes as well. The links of those are shared here below in the description. And do support the cause by sharing, liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you once again for watching.